Okay, we're at Fluffy's on this overcast morning. Slightly cool, which is okay. It's going to warm up to higher 70s. Poured out the water in her water dish, rinsed it out and refilled it, and put a handful of dry food into her dry food dish. She's had her chewable flea and tick treatment, and now she's eating cat treats. We're at the Lutheran Church, and Collie is in her little nook next to the church. Jay's gone over to the back parking lot cement curb to put down cat food, cat treats. And she's decided to get up. Stretch big. That's a girl. Big stretch. Yeah, it's okay. Another big stretch. Very good. You're ready for breakfast. Okay. Okay. Go eat your breakfast. There we go. Enjoy. Let's see, he's at the back area of Elvisa Adobe Park having his breakfast. I just finished up putting out the food that I do for the birds in the back area of the park, and he's busy finishing up his breakfast. Happy kitty. Okay, a red-tailed hawk up on the cross of the church that's next door to Elvisa Adobe Park. Just seeing the back of him. Maybe the dark morph male. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's not the back. Anyway, he's up there.
Okay, family of pigs on the hillside. They just came out of the trees and I had to get myself positioned where I could record them. And there are the 4 female turkeys. Well, we've got 2 female turkeys, 1 young new this year female, and we're not sure what the other young one is yet. Don't know if it's male or female. Yep, pigs are gone. After Kathy was done recording in the back of the park, she decided to go up front and put down food for the turkeys in case they come over, which it looked like the males are. And we noticed that CC had come down off the wall, as I had occasionally put treats right down on the ground here. Yeah, he was kind of waiting for it, so I went over in that direction and he retreated. But I did put down a nice pile of treats, turned away, and yep, while my back was turned, he polished off the treats. He doesn't fully trust me, but he's not in full fear. A couple of the tom turkeys have moved in a position where they're going to come over to the park for breakfast. But these two are playing some sort of turkey game, while the third, where'd he go? One of the mature ones is just standing there watching these two.
There we go.
On our return trip, almost got to Fluffy's area when I spotted this woodpecker on the light post. I think this might be an acorn woodpecker. I'm not that familiar with them.
Back at Fluffy's. The sun is shining now. Jay's gonna put more cat treats down for her. There we go. And we'll see you tomorrow, Fluffy.